Preparations for the coming school year are at the peak as parents, students, and teachers continue to work together to clean and repair classrooms in time for the opening of classes. Angel Cordova will tell us more.
Classes are set to resume in just a few days. Aside from school supplies, classrooms and other things needed by students for a whole year are being prepared. Department of Education's Brigada Escuela formally started last Monday. School facilities, especially classrooms, were cleaned, repaired, and painted. Even though today is the last day of Brigada Escuela, Bayanihan was still alive here at Mines Elementary School in Quezon City. The job was not only done by teachers, but also parents and students as well.
Malilinis na ang mga rooms, nakapagpintura na. So yung final touches na lang yung mga visual aids, yung mga ilalagay naman nila sa rooms.
Naka-prepare na rin.
Oo, prepared sila. Yung mga teachers nagugupit. Lahat sila, lahat nag-work.
Dahil dito lang sa school, tutulong ko para matapos ng mga obligasyon ng mga teacher para pagkapasukan, wala nang problema.
Instead of playing, the incoming grade 3 and 6 students, Jonel and Christian, chose to wipe chairs and sweep floors in exchange for paper and plastic from the school's teachers, which they can sell. The money they'll get will be added up to their allowance once classes have started.
Para pong maging malinis yung school namin. At para pwede na po namin pasukan sa June.
Kasi po, pasukan na po kami. At maganda na yung room.
Meanwhile, aside from preparing classrooms, educators are planning on taking measures to avoid problems on the first day of the school year 2014 to 2015.
Sa June 2, kailan mag-prepare na kami, planuhin namin lahat, nagkaroon na kami ng mga plano kung exigency plans. Pag yung wala pa yung teacher, i-ready namin lahat kung saan yung entrance, exit, kung saan dapat yung mga magulang, para walang chaos pagdating ng first day. Alam mo naman, excited ang mga bata.
This is Angel Cordova for News at 1, Junior Edition.